What is the meaning of the word nest? As a noun, a structure in which animals lay eggs or give birth to their young. A kind of gun emplacement. A cozy or secluded retreat. A gang of people, criminals or spies or terrorists assembled in one locality. Furniture pieces made to fit close together. Examples of use: a machine gun nest, a nest of snipers, a nest of thieves. As a verb, inhabit a nest, usually after building. Fit together or fit inside. Gather nests. Examples of use: birds are nesting outside my window every spring. Nested bowls. Nest is spelled N-E-S-T. Nest.